Hi there, I'm Beth, and this week I want to share with you all my experience of attending my third BlytheConUK convention. It's an annual UK-based convention for Blythe doll collectors, and it's always held on the first Saturday in October and has been running since 2010. It's organised by volunteers from the Blythe Club, a UK Blythe enthusiast group. Jess and husband Dan and DM_Blythe Diane. I'll link to their website and Instagram account in the description box below. So this year's event was just last week on Saturday the 5th of October. I went along as an attendee with my daughter Evie. She brought her favourite Shadow High doll with her, and I brought my custom mini-me. Held in Edinburgh, the beautiful and historic capital city of Scotland, which was great for us because it's just a few stops away by train. Edinburgh is the first UNESCO City of Literature, home of the Writers' Museum, the world's largest book festival, and so much more. So because of this, the theme for this year's artwork and goodie bag was books and literature. The venue was Lauriston Hall in the heart of Edinburgh's Old Town, which is full of winding alleys and steep, narrow staircases. I walked there from the train station with my daughter, and it was quite a workout heading in and out for lunch later in the day too. Here's a look at the vendors who were in attendance. And here's the schedule of events for the day. I had intended to attend both workshops, but I was so busy chatting I missed the first one, and I was a little bit too late in getting back from lunch to properly join in with the second one. Here's the lovely goodie bag that we each received. These are always so handy to have. I've got a little collection now. The bag contents seem to vary a little, as Evie and I both received different things inside. So here's what was inside mine. With love from Emma and Victoria, a little tiny doll scale book, beautifully printed. And from A Day in Lilliput, I think this is a food item. It looks like a little bar of chocolate on a little sort of doily or paper plate. Super cute. Another lovely book, much bigger in scale, with a nice foam board, foam board inside. Very pretty. And that's from Jen at Earth Angel Studios. Lots of lovely confetti, which I've promised to give to Evie for crafting. We've got the official pin badge, which is beautiful. I love these enamel badges, and it's got the same artwork as on the tote bag. Got the official sticker as well, which I'll be saving for my next sketchbook. Very nice. We've got another gift here. Now I'm not sure what this one is. It's from Manarata Doll. Is it a badge or it's just a, I see. Oh, it's a bead, which would be nice as going on the end of a pull cord for the doll. Isn't that lovely? We have more little books. These were just at the entrance. Tartan books, very cute. There were tiny stickers on each of the tables, so picked up a little handful of those because I like to put them in my sort of scrapbook of memories from the day. Got a lovely shimmery sticker from Splatter Girl, very cool, and some more business cards. Hedalix Dolls, postcard for BlytheCon Detroit, one for Wonderland of Play, and I picked one up for Pam Dolls. Very funky. So that's what was inside mine, and here's what was inside Evie's bag. Some more business cards for Magic Knight Rhiannon and Sir Galahad. She's also got a lovely tiny book from Emma and Victoria. So they're so generous, I love them. And another gift from A Day in Lilliput. This one seems to be a little necklace. Super cute. She's got her enamel badge and the books that we picked up from the front door. She picked up this one from the table, little sticker, and her official sticker. She also got this from Manarata Doll, which I think is an inflatable. Yes, isn't that cute? Very unusual. So that's super cute. She'll definitely use that. She loves playing with water with her dolls. And she also got a book from Jen at Earth Angel Studios. I actually have a box full of tiny books of all sorts, and so my ones will be going into my little box display of books. Now, another wonderful aspect of being at in-person conventions is the ever-growing practice of bringing little goodies to gift and swap with other attendees. I didn't have much time to put mine together, but I made up 10 goodie bags with pool rings, brooches, and some Blythe eye chips, which I have an abundance. So here are some of the lovely gifts that I received and swapped with other attendees. This little bundle was put together by Denise and Bethany, and I'm told that Bethany made the lollipops. I haven't yet been into all of these goodie bags, so let's see what's inside them together. Goodness, lots of things. Oh my goodness! Wow. So they also had thought of the book theme. Gosh, these are just beautiful. These are so nicely put together. Let me get one at a time. So we have tinctures and tonics. Oh, that's so good. Oh, and it's a little printed book. It's got artwork and writing on every page. That's just amazing. Oh, I love that. And the Herbal Alchemist. And again, there's writing and pictures on every page. Gosh, they've done so well. We've got, oh my goodness, I love this. A lovely crocheted bag with little like dimensional leaves, autumn leaves. Absolutely gorgeous. Proper functioning bag. Oh, I love that. Really beautiful. Label with love from Denise and Bethany. Socials, be sure and give them a follow because I know I'll be looking out to see what they got from BlytheCon because they got quite a big haul. Lots of goodies. So we've also got, oh my goodness, little gingerbread man. That's so cute. And a little cake, a little chocolate cake, a little pudding. Isn't that gorgeous? And the lollipop as well. Really beautiful. So that's very generous. Thank you very much, Denise and Bethany. And next up are two super kawaii, look at these bags, goodie bags. These were from Emma and Victoria, who were incredibly generous and had given me a goodie bag the year before. So let's have a look inside these. Look at this bag. Definitely reusing this. We've got some delicious Haribo. Can't go wrong with sweets. Goodness. An absolutely gorgeous mushroom. I am adding this to my shelf of lovely things. I shall be able to fill all my little library shelves with these books. Look, we have two more. Aren't they gorgeous? Printed front and back. And we've got a really cute little charm, little flat back charm. These are so cute. And another little flat back charm of a little flower. That's gorgeous. In this bag, again, super cute. I don't know where they found these. So cute. And, oh lovely, we've got a little wooden acorn, also destined for my display shelf. More delicious Haribo. And, oh my goodness, there's something quite large in here. So this bag, be careful. Oh no, yeah, here we go. Oh, that's so clever, guys. So this is made by Victoria, Blythe and Beyond on Instagram, and look at all the details in this. So we've got little cotton floss, we've got button wheels, it's like a little pull along trolley, can't think of a better word for it. And again, we've got these little flat back characters. That's such a clever way to use them. I've got a few of these and I just can never think of what I'm going to do with them. We've got little lollipops and a little gummy bear on the back as well. I'm really blown away. That's so clever. A little bow added on just gives it more dimension. And I love the button wheels. Very sort of vintage and kawaii at the same time. Isn't that beautiful? Well, huge thank you, Victoria and Emma. It's lovely to see you again there. And finally, a couple of gifts. One from Sarah of Octo Pudding, who I had a lovely time chatting with while I was there. I have already seen inside, and it is a beautifully crocheted little hat for Blythe, for Neo Blythe. And this is absolutely gorgeous. So here's her socials. Again, be sure and check her out as well. And finally, just another lovely tiny gift. I'm so sorry I've forgotten your name, but this lovely lady had given me a little Blythe doll bracelet because she makes lots of them, and it's so cute. So I'm going to keep this safe and get it on a Blythe so it doesn't get lost. Next up, I'm sure you're curious to see what I bought there. I was surprisingly restrained this year. I think I was just having so much fun chatting with people that I didn't shop as much. Okay, the first thing that I picked up as I was walking around was this lovely knitted cardigan by Rosa Simbra Dolls, and I just love the workmanship that's gone into this. I always appreciate those who can do these tiny fiddly details. I'm certainly not this good with knitting, so I thought I had to have it. It's just my style. So isn't that adorable? The tiny buttons, little beads on the mushrooms on the front there, and then the back. You could wear it backwards and have it as a jumper as well. Just gorgeous. Love the detail in this. Magic Knight Rhiannon and Sir Galahad. They've always got some great bargains at their table. For just £5, I picked up these lovely little boots. I have seen them online and ummed and ahed about them because I really love this chunky style of boot sole. It's just like what I wear myself, and yeah, I just thought they're so cute. I need this pair. I'll just grab them while they're in front of me. In a similar fashion, I picked up these shoes. They were from the bring and buy table where non-vendors can sell items from their dolly wardrobe or what have you, and so I picked up these. They were actually with another pair of shoes, but another attendee was interested in the pair that I wasn't fussed about, and I just wanted these, so we actually both bought them and split the bag. So these are some lovely chunky soled sort of Mary Jane style shoes with a big sole. I might paint them black, we shall see, but I just love this style, so they were super. From the beautiful Holly of Juniper's Carousel, I picked up some tattoos. Something I haven't done before. I do plan to do some hand-painted tattoos, but I really wanted to try these out. I've just recently seen Holly's first YouTube video where she shows how to use these, so definitely go and check her out if you haven't seen her before. And she does these beautifully designed doll scale tattoos. She was giving out some samples as well, so I'll maybe try these first. But I picked up this English botany set with some mushrooms and flowers, just lovely stuff. So whether it's for just a custom for myself or, you know, just to try out, I'll definitely be giving this a go soon. And finally, see, I didn't buy too much. This was the bigger ticket item, I suppose. I was absolutely blown away by everything at their stand. They had mohair, like jointed posable animals. They had sculpted pumpkin-headed dolls on obitsu bodies, just lovely stuff. I was very tempted to get a full doll, but you know, it can be difficult to decide. So I went for this absolutely gorgeous frog hat. It has expressionable eyes. You can actually turn them. You see the eyelid there, so you can make them look kind of crazy, make them look worried, make them look angry. And I just thought it's so cute. Mohair, hand stitched, just lovely details, and you know, I can tell it's good quality work, so I really had to have this. It was £50, and we've got a lovely bag. Here is their card. Small handmade mohair toys. Who's this? Espira Fairs Forest. If I'm pronouncing that terribly, I apologise. And here's their socials, their website, and some sweets as well. So those were my purchases. So the end of the day brought competition winners. Claire won the Mini-Me contest for the second year running with her awesome Fighting Milk Saranghae outfit. I enjoyed seeing all the raffle winners, but I had to dip out a little bit early before the end to catch my train. So it was certainly a wonderful day, my most relaxed feeling one yet. I really loved meeting everyone, and I had planned to try to get more photos with people, but my phone battery was really low, so I had to be careful because our train tickets were on there as well. I must say thank you to the organisers, because I got a loan of a power bank to give it a little boost right at the end. So I do apologise because I'm awful at remembering everyone's names, but I really did love chatting with so many of you. With BC Doll Place, Denise and Bethany, Octo Pudding, Sarah, Claire Who Makes Things, Shabby Chic Jane, This Little Blythe of Mine Emma, Blythe and Beyond Victoria, Gem X Heart from the My Lady Disdain Discord, Juniper's Carousel Holly, Gifts by Luby Lou, 1906 Lola, Splattergirl Ian, and Earth Angel Studios Jen. It was so nice to chat to you all, and there were so many more, so please do drop me a comment below if you were there. Please let me also thank my wonderful supporters over on Patreon, and to welcome my newest members. There's Judith in Carolina, Sylvie Levesque, and Patricia Jackson. I do hope you all enjoyed seeing what I brought home from Edinburgh, and for those who couldn't attend, I do hope you enjoyed seeing my experience at BlytheConUK. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!